Morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. Out in the garden again, just to try and finish off a project. There is an old saying, a picture speaks 1,000 words. So I'm going to turn the camera around. This is what we're doing today. Right, okay, so before we start laying the turf, I'm just going to go over the garden just to, try and flatten it out as much as I can, get it as level as I can. There is a slight gradient on the garden, which you can probably see via courtesy of the bottom of the fence there. But anyway, so we've had 6 tons of topsoil down. It's been raked over. That was a few days ago. So I just want to go over it again very quickly before we start. I'm going to then compact it. A good mate of mine, Dave, has lent me this machine just to try and compact the soil. Then I'm going to rake it over. So that's it really. I'm just going to reset the camera and I'll get back to you. So, good mate of mine called Dave has lent me this. Dave, if you're watching, thank you very much indeed. So I'm just going to use this to try and compact the surface. As you can see over here, look, it's quite loose, so I want to compact it down, just flatten it. Then, as I say, I'll rake it over once more before I start laying the turf, just so that the top layer isn't too compressed, that the roots of the turf won't take. which case I'm going to use the off cut from down there and start it off here, because you need to stagger the joints. I presume, of course, this is yeah, I could trim it up a bit. Okay, just going to clean up this top bit. So, as I've already said, I just want these joints to be as tight as possible. And then when I've done a couple of rows, because it's been such a dry day, I'm just going to water these, give them a good old soak, you know, trying to make sure that I'm not actually saturating the ground, which I'll be kneeling on anyway. So that's the start of the second row. Lovely jubbly. Right, okay guys, so it's 7:15 in the evening now. I'm starting to get really tired, need some tea. So this is what we've got so far. So it's come on quite nicely, but it has been hard work. I'm going to try and finish it off if I can, but as I say, I'm getting very tired now. And it would be nice just to get a shot of it tonight, to be honest with you. So I'm pleased with the way it looks, but as I say, just feeling very weary, feeling my age. Let's just have a look down the garden. Okay folks, so we're on day 2. I've been out for about an hour now, just trying to do a little bit more. I want this garden finished before lunchtime. I've only got 3 rolls left actually, so it looks as if we're going to run slightly short, which is a bit frustrating because I gave very accurate measurements to the supply, but these things happen, just need to crack on with it really. So anyway, I'm just going to finish off a cup of tea, then go and get another 3 or 4 rolls, and hopefully this will be it will be done before lunchtime. Get back to you in a bit.